Hey, welcome back everybody. Roger here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to talk to you about window tint. Before I get into that, I want to give you the opportunity to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already so that you don't miss out on any of our new content. So window tint can add both style and practical value to your driving experience and the worth of your vehicle, because not only do tints look great, they also can keep your cabin cooler so that you don't have to run your air conditioner as much. They also help protect your interior from the damage that can come from ultraviolet rays, heat, and glare. And the good news is, with a few simple tools, you can actually install window tint yourself. The most important thing to consider when you're choosing a tint for your vehicle is visible light transmission, or VLT. VLT is just a way of describing the percentage of light that the tint allows through. So for example, if you have a 20% VLT, that's going to let 20% of the light through into your vehicle. So the lower the percentage, the less light is going to make it through. Before deciding on the VLT you really want for your vehicle, be sure to know the VLT laws for your state. So what you've been looking at here this whole time is a 35%, a 20%, a 5%, and a 2.5% options from Gila, just to give you an idea of the difference in the amount of light that's coming through each one. So once you know the tint laws for your state and you've decided the VLT you want for your vehicle, you can find the tint and all the supplies you need to install it at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. If you have any questions at all, feel free to stop by a store or reach out to us on social media. We'd love to help. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our new content. We'll see you again soon.